Hey, look. Let's try something. Could you put your head down on the table, just one ear, like this? Okay? Put it down, put it down. Head. Do you hear anything? No? Alright. Do you hear it? You heard something? Yeah. Okay, put it down again. Oh, you heard something louder? Alright, put it down again. Music? Yeah. Oh, you can dance to it. Oh. Alright. So the different sounds, and of course you can make it very loud. Children love it. Okay? And even the sounds that you come through. So sound simple, no material needed. Then there is another experiment of sound. For that I need 2 children. So you can be one of them and another child. One more child, come on. भाग के आए. How sound travel through. Okay. Now this experiment need to be given to the older children, not very small children, because children they really sort of like, you know, कभी-कभी ज़्यादा shout कर जाते हैं. So first of all, I'm going to do it and then you all will try it. Your ears are covered. I need uncovered ears. Packing. Unpacked hair. Ears. आप छोड़ दें पूरा. Okay. चलो इन दोनों को ले लेते हैं. Okay. Now listen. What children? And I can do it in front of the whole class. These experiments can be done as a group and involve many children. Look, I want you to have keeping this here. Do you hear anything? No? You heard something? Yeah. All right. Heard it? Meow. Baby cat.
शाजिया पीछे इन लोग को चुपका है.
She does not know what the sound was like. Would you like to do it for her? Loud sound, because the sound is passing through here and it's going right inside her ears. Try it. Is she hearing something? Oh. Oh, look at her. Okay. She's okay. All right. All right. You see, if adults will enjoy it so much, the children love it. Once again, you know, we are using big terminology. Heavy size subjects, botany, history, geography, science. I mean, people say, what do small children have to do with science? An experiment. Experiment usually comes to us when you talk about a dissection of a frog, or when you are in college and high school, chemistry, that is experiment. But you can even do an experiment with litmus paper and let the child see, because we are not